my name is Luja, alias Ludwig Crafting, and I'm making cool stuff from games and films and TV series. Also, I do a cosplay a little bit. For example, this Mandalorian, custom Mandalorian armor is also made by me. But in this video, I'm going to show you my very first project of 2024, and it will be Goblet of Fire, which actually will work. Yeah. Guys, it all started when my boyfriend told me that he wants a humidifier as a birthday present. Yeah, humidifier. Yeah, and actually my boyfriend is a big Potterhead as me, and actually we had nothing in our house, just winds. You know, the Elder Wind. Crucia! Imperia! Oh, Lumos. So I decided to make something special, and I think I will be the first crafter who made the Goblet of Fire replica, which has also blue fire in it and actually works, and it's also humidifier. So yeah, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. So before we started, please guys subscribe my channel if you like my work, because it really helps me grow. If the community here grow, I grow with the community, I will be able to make bigger and crazier projects. So yeah, please, thank you guys. Let's start it.
So first of all, I grab some pen and paper and start make my first sketch. I found some photo reference and drawing and put my ideas on the paper. After all, nobody understand my drawings, but I understand it, so it's good when I understand my drawings and nobody. It's like a, Schifera Mestre Leonarda. I don't know if you know what is this, but it's Schifera Mestre Leonarda. And then, if I got my, sketch done and know exactly what I'm doing, I go into Blender and spend amazing 9 hours of making this model. Of course, I forgot to film it, but I made a nice video of my final touches. Yeah, cool. And when my model is finally done, I need to make some adjustments and also split the model to parts if I can actually print it. And first of all, I need to make a miniature of the goblet so I can see better how it's gonna work, or if it's gonna work after all. Yeah, and we finally have it! And it looks amazing! What do you guys think about it? And for this project, I need to buy electronics too, because without electronics, you can't make this project actually working. So yeah, it's must have. And we can actually start printing. First part is printed, and I love to, play on my 3D prints. And when we have all parts printed, we can actually start a little post-processing game. We are gonna work with electronics first, and yeah. Guys, I'm really newbish in electronics, but first of all, we need to, make it waterproof, because, it will be water inside, and it will also work as humidifier.
Guys, it's working. I can't believe it, but yeah. It was just in my head, but it's working. I don't know what to say, but what is this? Yeah, something is here. But I don't care. It's working, guys.
Also, I need to use some silicone on my LEDs too, because you know, guys, it will be humidifier, so we need that.
And by the way, these weird noises is just my 3D printer. I'm printing the last part of the goblet. So yeah, we are going pretty well. Do you think we'll finish it?
Yeah, and everything looks so far so good. Everything is working, and I'm so happy. And we can actually glue another part of goblet.
I don't know what exactly happened with my camera right now, but guys, you see it? Hello, my coworker.
Guys, I have the last part printed, and oh my god, it looks so amazing. I just put some plastic dip and primer on, so I have a nice base for another painting, and yeah, it makes me so happy. Just look at it. And now I have some base color on, so we can actually start working on highlights, shadows, and details. But you know, it's late night and I'm a little bit tired, so I'm going to sleep and we will continue tomorrow. So the new day is here, and I totally forgot about this organic thing. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I use mounting foam for that, and it works perfectly for me. And when the foam dries, we need to go to use some plastic on, yeah, and it looks, oh my god, cool, so cool. And I'm gonna make some silver and gold patina with my acrylics, and I think it will look so good. Yeah. Okay. Also, I made some shadows on the goblet. Guys, I'm so look at this. This is so amazing. And now I'm gonna work on some shadows, highlights, and of course details on a goblet, because you know I wanna make it look like as real as possible. Also, I use my wood burner on these details. As a pedestal base, I use some mounting foam, and also I found some styrodur on my cellar, so I'm gonna use it too. And I'm gonna glue the styrodur together, and also I made some gypsum which I'm gonna use to make the foam pedestal look like a rock or a stone. Yeah, and actually it was quite fun to make. For real. On the real though. Sorry guys. So guys, the pedestal so far look like this. I just put some plastic on, and maybe I think it will need another coat, and then I need to put some primer on, and then finally I can make it look like a rock or stone, or you know, stone pedestal. I had 1 week to make this. Yeah, and I actually did it. Yeah. Guys, I'm so happy. I don't know what to say exactly because, 1 week ago, everything what you see here right now was just in my head, and now it's here.